Okay, I've been having this weird issue with my sound on the Roku channel. It only happens on the Roku channel, but my setup is I have an older model Sanyo TV that has a third generation Roku box hooked up to it. So it's not a smart TV or anything like that. This issue only happens, like I said, on the Roku channel. It's a really strange sound issue on the Roku channel where some videos will play with sound and they'll play perfectly well, but other videos they'll play but they won't have any sound. So let's go to the Mummy and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If I play the trailer, you'll see that the trailer and the sound, the video and the sound rather, it plays with the video and the sound and everything plays just fine. But if I go to the movie and I watch it from the beginning, you'll see that the video starts, but there's no sound. There's several different ways to fix this, and I'll show all three of them to you. But one way to fix this is to pause the video and go up to where I highlighted it right here and click on this box that says captions and audio track. Click on that. You'll go down to audio track and click on that and then change it from English US Dolby Audio and just change it to regular English US. Then click the back button to get out of that menu and then click play and the sound comes on. Okay, so that's one way to fix it. Another way to fix it is while it's playing, push the star button and then this menu comes up and you can go down to audio track and click the OK button and it changes it from Dolby English to English Original. So if you click it from Dolby English, then that'll make it not work. And you'll see now it's not working. So anyway, you push the star button to do that. If I click it back to original English, it'll start playing again. And you see the music works again. Okay, so the easiest way though to do it, I'll show you another way, because I have this show that I like to watch and it does it on that show too. Whenever I want to watch episodes of that, I can click on that and you can see there's no sound. I don't want to have to always click pause and click on this, because each episode there will be no sound and you have to do this on every episode. So instead of having to do that, what I'll do is I'll go to my settings, I'll go to my home screen, and then I'll go to my settings, right? And then I'll go over here to audio, and then I'll go over to audio mode, and then I'll switch it from auto. Auto is check marked. I'll switch that to stereo, and then I'll go back over to the Roku channel, and now those settings will always be set to the right settings. So when I go back to Babylon 5 and play those episodes, every episode will always be set to the right setting, and I'll have sound. So it'll always be set so that when I go back to the Mummy and I've watched that from the beginning, that will always have sound. So it starts off with the right sound too. So really the easiest way to do it is to do it from the settings, but you can do it per movie or per episode if you want to. So if this video helped you out, or if you learned anything new, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.